Hello everyone, this is Ozzy teacher. Welcome back to my English grammar series. In today's lesson, we are going to learn something very useful, very simple, and also very fun. We are going to learn opposite adjectives. First, let's remember something very quickly. Adjectives are words that describe things. For example, we say a big house, a happy child, or a fast car. So, adjective give us more information about noun. But today we are going one step further. Today we are not just learning adjectives. We are learning their opposites. So, what does opposite mean? An opposite is a word that has a completely different meaning. For example, big is one idea, but small is the opposite idea. Now, think about this. If something is hot, what is the opposite? Yes, it is cold. Opposites help us speak more clearly because instead of always using the same words, we can express different ideas. They are also very important in daily English. Native speakers use opposites all the time. Now, let's learn some common opposite adjectives. I will show you simple examples so you can understand, remember them easily. Let's start with a very easy one. This is big and this is small. Big means something is large, small means something is little. For example, this is a big house, this is a small house. Now, let's look at another example hot and cold. If something is hot, it has a high temperature. If something is cold, it has a low temperature. For example, the coffee is hot, the water is cold. Now let's talk about feelings happy and sad. If you are happy, you feel good. If you are sad, you feel unhappy. For example, she is happy today, he is sad. Next example fast and slow. If something is fast, it moves quickly. If something is slow, it moves slowly. For example, the car is fast, the turtle is slow. And one more important pair easy and difficult. If something is easy, it is not hard. If something is difficult, it is hard. For example, this question is easy. This exam is difficult. As you can see, opposite adjectives help us describing things in different ways. They make our English more clear and more interesting. Now it's time to practice. Let's see if you remember the opposite adjectives. Now I have a question for you. Can you write one opposite adjective in the comments? For example, big, small, or happy, sad. Opposite adjectives are simple, but they are very important in daily English. If you practice them, your English will become more natural and more fluent. If you like this lesson, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.